How can you win Social Security disability benefits because of an amputation? Try using Social Security Listing 1.05. Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the Disability Help Book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. If you've had an arm or leg amputated, it's understandable that you might want to apply for Social Security disability benefits through the Social Security Administration. And it might seem like the process should be fairly simple and straightforward. Unfortunately, it's not quite that easy. Just like with any other disabling medical condition, you have to prove to the SSA that you meet the specific requirements that they've set down. That means either explicitly meeting the definition of their listing of impairments, or using their 5-step sequential evaluation process to prove that your condition won't allow you to do any work for which you're qualified. If at all possible, you want to meet their definition of listing of impairments, which in this case would be listing 1.05, amputation. Why? Because anyone who can show that they meet one of these listings and have been out of work for at least 12 months, or at least the evidence shows that they're likely to be out of work for the next 12 months, is automatically approved for disability benefits. In order to qualify under listing 1.05, amputation, claimants need to prove that they're suffering from at least one of the following. First, a loss of both hands, or secondly, a loss of one or both legs. This needs to have occurred at the tarsal region or above, and the individual must prove that they're unable to ambulate effectively based on the Social Security's definition. Third, the loss of one leg and one hand. The lost leg must follow the rules that I just laid out. Or finally, hip disarticulation. As simple and straightforward as it may seem to prove your amputation, the SSA still needs objective medical evidence and testing showing you meet their specific definition. Here are the most common accepted tests: range of motion tests, MRIs of the bone, nerve conduction studies, or peripheral vascular arterial Dopplers. Those with lower extremity amputations should also talk to their doctor about doing tests measuring their walking ability. Even if you aren't able to show that you match listing 1.05, there's still hope. Many people who have failed in this have gone on to win their Social Security disability benefits by showing that their disability kept them from working for 12 months or longer, following the SSA's 5-step sequential evaluation process. If you have more Social Security questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.